Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to curve test in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to New File to create a new document. And then we can keep these presets and create a new document. Next, we can go to Add Path. I will use Pen tool and click to add a point. Click and drag to add a point with arm. And click and drag to add a point with arm. Next, we can go to horizontal type tool and click on the path, and then we can type. For example, I type how to curve test. So we can see that some tests are missing, so we can make an adjustment. We can go to convert fonts tool, and then we can click and drag the control the positioning of the text on curve, and we can click and drag to adjust the start of the test and the end of the test. I put it here. So we can select the text and make it larger. For example, I will use 100 fonts. So if you want to make it upside down, we can use the convert font tool again and click and drag to move downwards to move upside down. I move upwards again, and then if you want to change the shape of the curve, we can move the cursor. Maybe I select one of the point and find the points at the middle. We can press Ctrl and click and drag to adjust the curve shape to change the curve shape. So this is how we can make curve test in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.